Why painting doors, the same color as the walls, is gaining popularity? Dear friends, painting doors the same color as the walls is a new trend in interior design that has gained popularity in recent years among designers and homeowners. Once viewed as unusual, this design decision is now being praised for its sleek, contemporary appearance. However, why has this trend become popular, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of this strategy? Let's take a closer look at this growing pattern. Why is this trend gaining popularity? The desire for a coherent and simple look in interior spaces is the driving force behind the trend of painting doors the same color as the walls. Since clean lines and simplicity are the hallmarks of contemporary design, merging doors and walls together produces a seamless flow that can open up a space and reduce clutter. Furthermore, social media sites like Pinterest and Instagram have been crucial in spreading awareness of this trend. Ideas for interior design and renovations that offer a novel perspective on classic decor are gaining popularity as more individuals share their projects online. Benefits of painting doors the same color as the walls. Creates a seamless look. Makes spaces appear larger. Highlights other design features. Versatility in decor. Drawbacks of painting doors the same color as the walls. Loss of contrast. Potential for monotony. Maintenance challenges. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.